Hello everyone, just from Metalchaos Studio here. In this series of video I'll be building a diorama with the tabletop model I previously painted. You can find tutorial video on how I painted the merchant house and the blacksmith forge on my YouTube channel. I also made videos in which I explain how I paint certain elements on the couching in. For more details, don't hesitate to have a look at my playlist or see the links in the description below. I'll also be using AI tool in this video. There will be a narrator who will assist me to explain what I'm doing while I'm working.
Hi. My name's Darko. I'm an AI generated voice, but don't jump out the window, I'm cool. Although, I like to make chaotic flavored jokes, ha ha ha. There is no denying it. Beautifully painted models always attract attention. Beyond this fact, good staging and decor that creates a convincing atmosphere is equally important. This is all the more true during a competition. The staging of the diorama must be captivating and speak for itself to stand out from the others. So the first piece of advice would be to come up with a good idea. The diorama should speak for itself and tell a main story and secondary stories if possible. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a diorama should be worth a story of at least 10,000 words.
I found the idea for my diorama while painting the couching in. Although I would love to, I won't divulge the essence of this idea now. It will be a surprise when the project is finished.
The 4 buildings that are already painted will be the backdrop for the main scene that will be taking place at the center of the diorama. And hopefully, if Gis doesn't spend too much time learning how to use the text-to-speech application ha ha ha, there will be at least one other event happening at the same time to create a secondary story.
Darko, it's Gis, not geese.
Oh, I see. Ha ha ha.
As you can see, I've already purchased material to build the set. There are synthetic turf, grass, plants, moss, leaves and bushes, as well as dirt effect, glue, putty, and styrofoam panels. I'll use some of this material and may need other things along the way. I will see as I go. In the future videos of this series, I'll explain all the steps that will allow me to complete the diorama. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to subscribe to be notified when I publish other videos. I have less than 2 months to make the diorama and paint as many miniatures as possible to animate the town. For now, as I mentioned, I can't give a hint of what the main story will be. But if you've seen my unboxing video, you know that I have about 20 models that I would like to integrate in the scene, so I will have to work quickly. The buildings will be arranged at the 4 corners of the board. I use a 1.5 inch thick insulating foam panel that's 2 feet wide to build the base. This insulation panel is sold in 8-foot lengths. I will cut it with a blade to obtain a 2 square foot panel.
Caution: be careful when you use a blade to avoid spreading your DNA on your desk. Chaotic joke here, ha ha ha.
Come on dude, you're not helping. It's not perfect, but at least it's a straight cut. I don't want the scene to be flat like a game board. I will use the panel I still have to create slopes. These reliefs will make the scenery more interesting. Okay, so as I mentioned before, the 4 buildings will be at the corners of the diorama. And there will be a road passing in the middle of the buildings. So what I think I will do is have those 2 buildings higher, with a slope coming down here, and maybe this cottage could also be a little higher. So I'll start by tracing the general location where the road will be. And now I will trace guideline where the lower part of the slope should be. There we go, that should do it. I will now trim the corners of the upper panels to have something like that. And there will also be a path going up the hill here. I will now trim the excess of material with a long blade. No joke though, always use the knife in a motion so that the blade will move away from you. It's slowly starting to take shape. I will keep at it for a while and then clean up the mess. I will glue the upper section on the panel with white glue and let it set overnight. Along the way in the video that will follow, I'll share with you the challenges and success I'll encounter. I will provide you with as much detail and information as possible about the creative process so that you can apply it afterward on your own projects. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on going and take care.
Ha ha ha.